Welcome to Dream Cars. The ride of your life is about to begin. The most awaited facelift for the 2025 BMW M8 Competition, the pinnacle of automotive performance and beauty, is almost here. This video gives you the inside scoop on the 2025 BMW M8 Competition, including a first look at all the new and improved features. From its state-of-the-art technology to its aggressive, sleek style. Come with us as we investigate the modern outside, which can be recognized by its dynamic lines and commanding presence on the road. Enter the plush inside and feel the meticulous attention to detail that goes into making this vehicle the pinnacle of automotive design. In the next section, we will examine the 2025 BMW M8 in further detail, focusing on the revolutionary characteristics that set it apart from other high-performance sports cars. Seize the chance to behold the pinnacle of automotive innovation. No matter what BMW's marketing staff claims, the M8 is a high-performance GT. In addition to having sufficient performance to merit the M badge, the M8 is also plush, comfy, and silent. Even at high speeds, the leather throne provides a comfortable ride with contrast stitching throughout and an environment free of wind and road noise. It may lack the plush interiors of competing powerful coupes in its price category, but it certainly surpasses the standards set by M division offerings. Even though BMW calls it a sports vehicle, it's really more akin to an affordable Bentley Continental GT than a rival to the Porsche 911. When it comes to BMWs, the M8 is a fascinating model. It's the one that BMW enthusiasts have been anticipating since the debut of the E31 8 Series in the early 1990s. Fans were somewhat let down when construction of the second-generation 8 Series began, nevertheless, because the vehicle fell short of their expectations. In that case, let's examine the background, merits, and shortcomings of one of the most intriguing vehicles in BMW's recent heritage. In 1990, BMW debuted the very beautiful 8 Series, the first iteration of the E31 model. The original 8's wedge-shaped Grand Touring design seems to capture the spirit of the moment, but it's classic enough to be fashionable even now. But BMW never produced an official M variant. The lack of an M8 was brought up by journalists in an old Motor Trend piece who had questioned BMW M engineers about it. Due to its high production costs and BMW's belief that it would not sell at the time, this car was never brought to fruition. Probably useless because of the BMW M1 sales. To stay up to date on all the latest news in the automotive sector, like and subscribe if you're thrilled about the new 2025 BMW M8 Competition facelift. Thanks for watching.